Renee here with Notary to Notary, and I wanted to talk about the difference between signing companies and title companies or going through lenders directly. So I'm sure you've heard of notaries mentioned before that they work with title companies instead of signing companies, or they love when they get the title companies directly. So basically what that means is when a title company has a real estate transaction they need done, they can either contact a notary directly, or they can go through a signing service that hires notaries or 1099s notaries, and then the signing service would hire the notary. So it's like a chain of command. And with that happening, when the title company goes through a signing company to find the notary will end up getting less money because the title company is paying the signing company, and then the signing company out of that pays the notary. Okay, so when I first started doing loan closings, I was working primarily for signing companies, and I think it was maybe 6 months to a year in, when my business was really picking up, that one day I was sitting with a client, and I read loan documents all the time, but sometimes if signers are taking a little, longer to sign, and they want to read through everything, I'll read too, so that way it's not awkward. So one day I was sitting down at a signing, and I noticed, looking at the closing disclosure, I was looking at all the fees just to get familiar with them, and I saw the notary fee. It said, like, it would say, like, sometimes it'd say like signing agent fee or notary fee, and the fee was $250. And I said to myself, I'm only getting $100 from this signing. And so that initial I guess my initial time seeing that, it stuck with me. So I didn't do anything initially then. And then as I continued to do closings, I would look at the closing disclosure and I would see what the notary fee was or the closing fee was. And I continuously kept seeing $300, $200, $250. Sometimes I would see $350. And all the while, I'm still getting ballpark about $100. And so I started doing my research, and I started looking and saying, okay, what's going on? And that's when I figured it out. I figured out that the title companies are paying that $250 to a signing company, and then the signing company finds a notary and pays the notary $100, which there are benefits to working with signing companies that I teach all the time in my course, especially if you're getting started. I would definitely recommend starting with signing companies, because they, on average, they have trainings, or they walk you through it. They give you steps, instructions that are very detailed. If you do make a mistake, a lot of times they'll tell you, oh, you made this mistake, let me help you fix it. They're more hands-on, and I always say it's better to learn with a signing company than go directly to a title company and make a lot of mistakes. Okay, so when you go to a title company, you want to come already trained, ready to go, with quite a few signings underneath your belt. That way, when you get those signings from the title company, you're getting that $250 or $300, you're not making mistakes, and you're building a great relationship with that title company, right, in your area, so that way you can get all the signings from them in that area. So like I said, so when I noticed that that price difference, that's when I started marketing directly to title companies. And the benefits to doing that is, for one, you get paid sooner. Most signing companies have a 30-day payout, while title companies usually pay out within a week or 2 weeks on average. So when a loan closes, the money traditionally will get paid out to the signing company, and then the signing company will pay the notary, hence why it takes longer for you to receive that payment. But if you work directly with the title company, you get paid faster, and you get paid the full notary fee. So there are definitely benefits to working directly to title companies, and we go over that as well in the Notary to Notary training on how to market and how to get your notary services in front of more title companies. In addition to, I do still recommend working with signing companies. I still work with signing companies. Although I have title companies that I work with, I fill with signing companies. I will put them both together because there's a lot of business working with both. So, but I definitely highly recommend getting title companies that will work directly with you, simply because the payout is more and it's quicker. So benefits to that. So So if you want to get more information on how to grow your notary business, you can definitely visit us online at NOTARY2NOTARY.com and register today for the all-inclusive training package. And we also have the new all-inclusive e-notary training package. So if you're ever interested in building your e-notary business, if you're in a state that allows for e-notaries, you want to make sure you check with your state's notary commission to see if you can do it before you purchase that course, because all states can't at this point. So sign up for our mailing. Make sure you look into that so you can sign up for our mailing list so you can stay abreast of all the great things happening in the notary industry today. So, see you next time. Happy signing.